Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. And this is Shin Babasagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatingnan natin ang sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, 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 welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices sa spirit guides ang ating masasaka for today's video? Kayo makayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasagap at ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click your subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang pagsawang sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. And of course, lalo-lalo na sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalaing kayo ng langit at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw ang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Taurus. Angel Spirit Guides, bigyan mo ko ng isang plakado at pasabog, no? Pinasabugan talaga tayo na eksena kagad, oh. With the Nine of Pentacles, blossoming abundance. Mukhang may mamumulaklak eh. No? And of course, there's a high priestess. There's an unexpected moment. And of course, there's a mystery behind. And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. Ibig sabihin dito, letting go, moving on. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan. And of course, sinasabi dito with the Justice card, kumbaga sinasabi dito, there's a balance. And of course, there's a justice will serve. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, mas maganda yung umiiwas kaysa kumbaga pinaglalaban mo yung mga bagay na alam mo wala namang benefit sa huli. 'Di ba? May mga gano'n, kaya may mga bagay na kumbaga inilalagay mo yung sarili mo sa alanganin. Kumbaga there's a justice will serve. Kumbaga iaalis ka dyan ni God sa mga bagay na alam niya ikasasama mo. So what is additional messages? Because of course there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance na magkakaroon ka ng balance dito. And of course there's Six of Cups with your ex. And of course kumbaga there's a union or there's a friend or there's relatives or kapitbahay, something dito. Let's see what is additional dito para malaman po kung ano ba itong eksena na to. What is the Nine of Pentacles? There's a Knight of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a practicality. Pagdating sa finances, habang nandun ka pa sa eksena na harvest ka ng harvest, kumbaga, lumalakas ang negosyo, hanap buhay mo, mag-impun ka, maging practical ka, 'di ba? Mag-invest ka, mag-ipon ka, yung mga bagay na alam mong may benefits at magsiserve sa sa huli. What is the High Priestess? Because there's a King of Cups. There's an unexpected moment. Pagdating sa love life, kumbaga there's a spark, no? Because there's a Nine of Cups. Meron talagang bigla ang proposal all offer, no? Kumbaga ito hindi mo ina-expect. Or there's an information na bigla mo siya makikilala or nakilala mo na. Or bigla siya magpo-propose or something na, kumbaga there's an offer with an unexpected moment. So what is the Eight of Cups? So there's an Eight of Swords. As I told you, 'di ba? As I told you, kailangan mong kumawala sa toxicities. Kailangan mong kumawala sa negativities. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang lakasan ng pakiramdam at lakasan ng loob mo na kumawala diyan. Kailangan mo i-let go 'yan. What is the Justice? What is the Justice? There's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. See? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga yung tagumpay ay nasa sayo at sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging balanse ka lang at makukuha mo yung hustisya, 'di ba? Magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity dito. With what is the Two of Pentacles? Parang bila ka matatauhan diyan eh. And of course, there's the Full card. There's a leap of faith, no? There's a new beginning. Kumbaga maging balanse ka lang diyan. No, wag ka basta-basta nagtitiwala. And of course, kumbaga maniniwala ka pero wag ka magtitiwala. What is the Six of Cups? Because there's an Ace of Cups, no? Kumbaga, there's a past person coming back. Kumbaga, darating, babalik to sa'yo with a pure heart or something with your friends, no? Mayroon palang lihim na pagtingin sa'yo at ang tao na to. or sa co-workmate, no? Kumbaga itong tao na to, kumbaga may lihim pa lang may gusto sa'yo. Ito mag-o-offer ng love. Or there's a new romance, no? What is the Knight of Pentacles with the Knight of Pentacles? So, ibig sabihin din daw dito guys, sa pahabol ko lang, kumbaga itong past person mo, babalik sa'yo with the pure and kumbaga, truth love, no? Totoo na yung pag-ibig niya. What is the Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles? And of course, there is a strength, Empress card, and of course, the Five of Cups. Ayun sinasabi ko, di ba? Kumbaga, nandun ka na sa mga panahon or dito ka sa situation na revert, no? Kumbaga, nakukuha mo yung what you deserve. Nakukuha mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo, huwag mong sayangin yung opportunities. Habang nandiyan ka sa situation, parang artista lang yan o parang kasikatan lang yan. Habang nandiyan ka sa entablado na yan, galingan mo mag-ipon, mag-invest. Kasi at the end of the time, maluluma o malalaos ka. Yun yung sinasabi dito, di ba? What is the High Priestess? Parang habang malakas ka, mag-ipon ka, ganyan. Kumbaga, kasi darating yung araw na malalaos at malalaos ka, di ba? Parang balat mo lang yan na makukulubot ka at the end of the time. With the Knight of Wands, there's a resilience, no? Napakalapit mo na sa success. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na kailangan mong maging tahimik and of course sa final push. May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang i-push at the same time. What is the Eight of Cups and of course the Eight of Swords? There's a King of Wands, control. Control mo to emotions mo. Yung there's a negativity kasi na kumbaga nagbibigay sa iyo ng kumbaga ng blockages, no? Yung sarili mo. No, kailangan i-let go mo yan yung fear, yung ego, yan, yung pride, kailangan mo alisin yan. What is the Justice and of course the Ace of Swords? And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. See, there's a balance and of course, there's a justice will serve. And of course, the Ace of Swords, there's a mental clarity. Kaya bigla ka matatauhan na kung ano ba yung dapat mong gawin, kung ano yung dapat mo yung sa katuparan. At the same time, ito yung magdadala sa'yo ng wish fulfillment. Parang dati, sinabi mo lang to na pinangarap mo, pero ngayon, abot kamay mo na. Ganon. Ito, katulad ng Ace of Swords, abot kamay mo na. See, abot kamay mo na yung pangarap mo. Unti-unti lang. Final push, no? Kailangan pa i-push. What is the Two of Pentacles and the Full card? What is the Two of Pentacles and the Full card? See? The Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan mo maging balance. Pwede ka maniwala, pero wag ka magtitiwala. Diba yung sinasabi ko? Kailangan protection mo yung sarili mo, lalo-lalo ni pinaghirapan mo. What is the Six of Cups and the Ace of Cups? And because there's a Four of Swords, listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition mo. Magtiwala ka sa gut feeling mo. Oo, nandun na tayo. There's a fear. Okay? Pero kailangan mong, kumbaga, pag-isipan at makinig sa inner voice mo. No? There's a new romance. So, let's see nga, what is a hidden agenda dyan? There's a Six of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin daw dyan, huwag ka matakot kasi, kumbaga, there's a give and receiving. Kumbaga, balance na, no? Pati yung emotions, yung loving and caring, kumbaga, balance na siya. Hindi na katulad ng dati na take lang ng take. Ngayon, give and take na siya. So, what is the outcome? Ang outcome is the Emperor. Be mature enough and you are being a boss. No? Maging mature ka sa lahat na nangyaring kaganapan sa buhay mo. With the Three of Wands, waiting for a result or waiting for a shift, no? Kumbaga, meron kang inaantay dito na magdadala sa'yo ng katuparan, no? Let's see what is additional outcome. The Three of Pentacles, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, kailangan mo mag-focus dyan, no? Kailangan mo ng teamwork, no? At the same time, there's a Five of Pentacles. Kung wala kang teamwork tendency, there's a financial loss, no? Magigipit ka ulit at the end of the time. There's a Six of Wands, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng success dito, kailangan mo lang matuto at kailangan mo lang makipag-collaboration at makipag-teamwork o makipagtulungan with your person, no? Kapag hindi ka marunong makipagtulungan, tendency magko-collapse ang inyong business or negosyo, no? Kailangan nyo balance. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card, Angel Spirit Guides? There's a love call. Now, someone express love. And because Dragonfly, wow. Kumbaga, there's a changes and heal. No? Magkakaroon ka ng healing and changes. And of course, the hand of the card. Nasa sa'yo yung kaalas and take chance and risk. No? Kailangan mo sumugal sa hamon ng buhay. So, what is the yin and yang? What is the yin and yang oracle card? There's a rejection or loss, no? Some of you, kumbaga, there's a losses or may mga bagay na parang na-reject ka or na-reject mo. At the same time, there's a distance. No? Kailangan mong kumawala, no? At kailangan mo magpakalayo-layo, no? Kasi there's a toxicities behind na, kumbaga, hindi ka makakausad kung hindi ka makakawala sa mga ganong toxic. And of course, there's a message, no? By dreams, parang ibibigay sa ito ng ating universe na ibibigay niya yung mga pahiwatig, parang information na makakatulong sa'yo by your dreams, sa panaginip mo. So, let's see what is the additional messages. What is additional messages? Angel Spirit Guide, there's a let go. See? Kailangan mong pakawalan at kailangan mong kumawala. Diba? And of course, there's a counseling. You heal with the words. Kailangan mo na makinig sa mga advices, ganun. Kasi, minsan kasi kumbaga, makikinig ka sa kabilang tenga, labas. Ganun. Kaya bagay sinasabi sa dito, makinig ka at i-adapt mo sa sarili mo yan. No? What is the Archangel Michael messages? And of course, lean on God. The angels are for support. No, see? Kumbaga magtiwala ka kay God at talagang ibibigay niyang at ginagabayan ka ng kanyang mga anghel, no? At ginagabayan ka ng anghel na sinusuportahan ka ng buong buo. And of course, you created the situation and you have the power to change it, no? Kumbaga ikaw naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa na para makaalis ka sa situation mo. Kasi masyado, kumbaga there's a toxicities behind na sinanay mo, no? Nagkaroon ka ng ganong eksena, nagkaroon ka ng toxicities that because of sinanay mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, being a balance, kailangan mo maging matalino at wais at maging practical. 'Di ba? So, what is additional messages? There's a problem solving, resolution. No, ngayon may solution na. Because there is a purple by third eye clairvoyance. No, parang nakita mo na nagkaroon ka na ng insights, nagkaroon ka na ng knowledge at the same time ng information by spirituality na parang binibigyan ka ng ating angel spirit ng senyales, no? Na kailangan mo nang ikat yung ganong eksena. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? What is Archangel Raphael messages? Call upon Archangel Raphael for help. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo na tulong na ating Archangel Raphael for your health at the same time and expect the miracle. See? Magkakaroon ka ng himala dito for healing. Wow! Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang pagdasal lagi, diba? At himiling kay Archangel ng Mike Raphael for kagalingan. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a forgiveness, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan at pakawalan, lalo-lalo na yung galit, no? And of course, there's a failure. May mga bagay na hindi mo na isa sa katuparan. That because there's a God's plan, no? At the same time, yung failure na yan or yung mistake na yan, yung magdadala sa iyo sa mga bagong opportunities. At the same time, there's an adversities, diba? There's a challenges are the best way to learn, no? Maraming challenges na, kumbaga, magbibigay sa iyo ng katalinuhan, or matututo ka dun sa mga bagay na yun, or para magkakaroon ka ng unlock knowledge, no? What is additional messages for this energy? And of course, guys, there's an adjustment possibility. See? May mga pinto ang magsasara at may mga pinto ang magbubukas para sa iyo. And of course, man of the heart. So, some of you, talagang, if you are a woman, Taurus, kumbaga sinasabi dito, mayroon talagang may hawak ng puso mo na tong lalaki na to ay talaga nagpapatibok sa pisikang puso mo. Charis! And of course, if you are a Taurus man, kumbaga, puso mo ay may inaawakan ka na iisa lang. And of course, the door to the romance, na talagang may pintuan talaga pagdating sa pagmamahal at pakilig, di ba? And of course, there's the thinking woman. Meron ditong talaga nag-iisip na isang tao o isang babae na kumbaga nag-overthink sa'yo, di ba? So, what is the romance angels? Your hard work is paying off. See? Lahat ng mga pinaghirapan, pinagpagura mo, lahat ng sacrifices, ngayon nakakamtan mo na. Pero step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mong kumawala sa comfort zone mo, sa mga personalities mong toxic, no? Kailangan mong pakawalan yan. And because what is the chakra? Chakra is complacency. Ibig sabihin dito, wag mong antayin na kumbaga maubos lahat, 'di ba? Kumbaga kailangan mo yun nga, 'di ba? Mag-imbak, mag-ipon, mag-invest at the end of the time, 'di ba? Baka para hindi na pagsisihan sa huli. And of course, there's a workaholic. So ibig sabihin dito, some of you, kumbaga talaga pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, talaga tutok ka, no? Or kailangan mo magtutok. So what is the romance angels? The romance angels is a honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss holiday time together. So, kailangan nyo ng time together with your loved ones, no? Yung mahal mo sa buhay or yung taong ay asawa mo, jowa mo, or partner mo, kailangan nyo ng oras sa isa't isa na magpapakilig at di ba? Magkaharot. Charis. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? And of course, do shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. See? Kumbaga, mahalin mo lang daw ang sarili mo at ang ating Panginoon ng buong buo, ng puso at sa salita at sa gawa, 'di ba? Lahat-lahat, 'di ba? Kumbaga, tanggapin mo siya at gawin mo siyang sentro. Magiging blessed ka at magkakaroon ka ng masaya at magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan, 'di ba, sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? So, what is the angel's number? So, what is the angel's number? Angel spirit guides. There's a 999. I am unique. So, sinasabi dito, guys, take the past for your lessons and leave it where it belongs. So, you can make the best of the life that is still waiting to be fulfilled by only you. See? Kailangan matuto ka about sa nakaraan mo, sa mga naranasan mo, sa family issues, sa love life issues, kumbaga, or sa money issues, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo na matutunan yung mga bagay-bagay about sa nakaraan mo. Kumbaga, yung mga bagay na yung, kumbaga, iiwan mo na lang sa nakaraan at wag mo na ulit mangyari. No, wag mo nang dalhin hanggang sa kasalukuyan. Bitawan mo na yan. Kailangan mo na pakawalan yung mga ganyan. At wag mo na hayaan maulit-ulit. Diba? So, what is the messages of life? So, what is the messages of life? And of course, there's a door to the infinite. At my heart center, there is a door that leads on to the infinite. Today, I visit my heart center and open the door. As I enter, the experiences a deep sense of serenity, and I understand that I am eternal, that I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond my life challenges to the higher level of my existence. I know now that my inner light is infinite. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga alam mo sa sarili mo na walang hanggan at walang dulo o walang hanggang wakas, 'di ba? Ang puso mo, 'di ba? Pagdating sa mga posibilidad. Kumbaga handa kang lumaban at handa kang ipaglaban kung ano man yung mga bagay na deserve mo, 'di ba? Kaya pala there's a justice card. Kumbaga talagang magkakaroon ka ng hustisya sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo at ngayon makakanta mo na ang kaligayahan over your life, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na dami mong pinagdaanan sa buhay. Kumbaga ito na ang susi para sa tagumpay. So guys, this reading is weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Taurus. This reading is your reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. And of course, guys, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo, saan man sulok ng mundo. Para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!